There are two extremes to when I record videos. The first one is that I set aside a time block, which I then record. And the second one is that I record every time something is above a threshold of interest, but at the same time passes the filter that I want this public. So I therefore record a. The main advantage of the batching, which is the first one, is that I set up the recording once and then I can record. So the time cost per video is lower, but then I have to record more videos. And so also I need to make sure during the recording time, especially if it is scheduled, my brain's performance is high enough that the video recording from my side is then efficient. Another disadvantage is that the farther away I'm from the initiation of the idea, the less common the idea is still to me. So if I have an idea and then I don't record it, then in my mind it's not interesting anymore. I don't know this, at least if I can remember, and so I would have to write it down. But even if I then would write it down, I often cannot exactly remember what the idea was. And even if I do, often the initial enthusiasm about the idea is now lacking. The dopamine from the finding of this idea already wore off, especially if it happened a few days ago already. Now, the second approach would therefore be superior, because it also allows me to speak with greater authenticity, because I don't need to fake my moment again. But currently, at least the technology to still not have catched up with the second process. So while I now record with the YouTube Shorts app on my Android phone, if I want to switch the YouTube channel I am recording on, it takes 15 seconds and I wait in front of my phone. I have the idea and I cannot really do something in 15 seconds. And so ideally, I think it would take even less time to prepare for one video recording, such that the average time cost per video would be close or very similar to the batching process time cost per video.